nigo bono baborigwe kwenekia omorembe nobotoereru chinga kitoroiche obochori obonene aigani gakwanwa na Professor Nyamboka Constantine Chingaki aikira na somoega ukobekera aborokiwa egutwa ase skuru ya Mary Immaculate Teachers Training College ime ye county ya Nanyuki ebose ime Nanyuki ya Laikipia ka ukwana boigo ni gabasemia bose abasemia gokinya ebirengo by'ichisemi Chingaki bagendrete kurigia emiremo Morikito Frida Kirubo namange
nasomoyiga bukubekera aborokigwa egutwa beskuru ya Mary Immaculate Teachers Training College asabageni bariganirwa wikirania ritukeri bakoragwa na Professor Constantine Nyamboga nigo barokyo mogoko na kubaganiria amaya Chingaki abasemia komenti birengo bichisemi Chingaki bagendete kurigia emirimo.
I'm happy to tell the world that the institution packaged this very well. It has successfully graduated about 80 students in various diplomas that are relevant to education. As a chief guest, I wished them well, but I also advised them to proceed to advance for degrees, in the sense that getting a job may not be there tomorrow. Some would be lucky to get it tomorrow, but instead of waiting, I have advised them, and especially because I'm from Tangaza, Immaculate is also a Catholic institution, I have advised them to join our various degrees for what we call upward progression.
Morokyo manene bweskuru iyo Sister Anna Liaka nigo airaniria mbia guchia asababwatani bonsi asokubwatira nokuya ilego ikirania omorobeli yo na kwarigania aborokigwa bande.
Grateful also to the BOM who have been very supportive in their support. They have been working with the administration, the teachers, the deputy, and even the student, even the president, who is able to work with us. And then we encourage each student who come from around to join our institution.
Congratulations, all well, and even the other members
Nonya nabo ni gaborokiwa basegetwa kwegenderia asoko enyorera enyeri yabo ya kirarituko.
So thank the professor. He has given the graduates a lot of wisdom and of advice, because the world is not something small, it's something very big. Secondly, still another encouragement. What they have got, diplomas and certificates, still there's room for education. Education never ends. And with that, I say thank you.
Nigo aborokiwa baenekirwa gusirwa iliyokonyora help iliyogwikirania amagani abo Chingaki bagosoa Sechi College na boigo chi university.
Assure those who would be joining Tangaza that Tangaza, like another university, students get help. So the teachers who will be coming, they will get the help loan, because again at the end of the day, the help loan it is you to pay back. The help loan, everybody currently gets the help loan, especially those who come to the universities. So welcome. I would ensure that I assist you get the help loan once you join Tangaza.
Obulendi nigo bwenekiwa iliyogwikirania omorobili yo. Asebono okuboligwa kwerugwa guchia saba Kenya kwenekia omorembe obotoereru Chingaki torochi obochori obonene.
Ningetaka kusema security hapa tumeshinda vizuri na hakujakuwa na matatizo. The event was colorful. Tunatarajia wanafunzi wengine wengi sana wakisomea hapa ndio tuweze kuinua mambo ya masomo.
In my views, many people may think we are the goons. These were not goons. They were our parents. Parents who had escorted their daughters and sons to graduate from this institution. And the word that I would leave for the world, and especially Kenya, is that as we go towards elections, let us be people of the church, people who love peace, and let us not create unnecessary tensions. Kenya needs peace. It needs to settle a number of issues so that we can grow and join many other countries in the world.
Igingo ripoteri itaseni igensoko kura sensemo ya Nanyuki county ya Laikipia. Eriane Nkerubo, Frida.